Welcome back, I'm Cheng. In this video, we will learn some basic input and output for C++. In the program, we have three basic operations: input, process, and outputs. In the program, it is mostly always have these three basic operations: ask input from user, and process data into useful information, and then display information to user. For example, in a calculator app, you are keying mathematical expression. Then calculator will compute your expression, and after that, display your result. In C++, we have to include I/O stream library so you're able to retrieve input and display output. For input, the expression in C++ is cin double right saffron, then a variable. So the input value will be stored in the variable, and remember that the variable need to be declared before cin statement. So now the input will be stored in a variable called x. We need to add using namespace std, so you can use the function in the standard namespace directory. It is a good practice that we always write return 0 at the end of the main function. If the function returns 0, means that our function executed successfully. In C++, we are allowed to declare multiple input in single statement like this. And it is equivalent to this. For output in C++, we use cout double left chevron plus output content. So for example, we cout value of the x. Now we enter two input. The first input is x and second input is y. And now you can see that it displays the first input because first input is stored in the x. Just now we key in two input by separate them with a space. Actually, we also can press enter after first input and it will still ask for second input. We are also allowed to format our output, but we need to include IO manip library. For example, we can set precisions of value to display. It is like significant figures in our math. For example, if we have cout setprecision 2 in bracket 1.323, it will show us 1.3.
blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the
And now
horizon.
we try see out set precision 6 in bracket 1.323.
Passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day.
We add NL to separate the output. NL is used to insert new line. It will show us 1.323 because 0 behind 1.323 will not show. But if you wish to show the 0, you can add showpoint. Like this. Cout showpoint set precision in bracket 6 1.323. Then it will show 1.32300 instead of 1.323. And next, maybe let's say you want to show 4 decimal place instead of 4 significant figure, so you can add fixed, then it will show number of places after the decimal point. Now we have cout fixed set precision 4 in brackets 145.87723. And the program will display output 145.8772.
Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
We can see that when we add fixed, it will always show 4 decimal places, even without show point. In this case, adding both show point and fixed, the number after the decimal point will not shown. Because 132 is integer and it doesn't have decimal point.
Back a year ago.
Next, we can set width for output in C++ with setw and in bracket. Let's say we have hello and we add setw and in bracket. So the output will become 5 blank space in front hello. Because this function is default right justified. Today we will end here. Feel free to like my videos. Thank you for your watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.